In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Siteground coupon code that will get you a Siteground discount of up to 73% off on Siteground web hosting for the sale they are currently running. If you've been thinking about getting Siteground web hosting, this is a deal you don't want to pass on. Siteground pricing runs much higher than this regularly. To get your Siteground coupon code discount, click the link below in the description and the discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Siteground at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Siteground discount. Now let me go over the different Siteground plans with the Siteground discount. I'm here on the Siteground homepage. You'll see web hosting, managed WordPress hosting, and WooCommerce hosting. All three of these hosting services you can get up to 73% off. Now I'll cover each in the pricing with the discount. I'll start with the most popular kind of plan, the shared hosting, which is the web hosting. You'll see the Startup, GrowBig, and GoGeek plan. You can get up to 73% off no matter what plan you go with. To get to 73% off, you just need to go with the 12-month term at checkout. You'll get the best deal with this term. You'll get Siteground hosting for $3.99 a month with the Startup plan, $6.69 a month for the GrowBig plan, and $10.69 a month for the GoGeek plan. If you decide to go with the managed WordPress hosting, you'll also get up to 73% off, and you'll get the best deal at 73% off with a 12-month term. You'll see the Startup plan. You can get Siteground Managed WordPress hosting for $3.99 a month, the GrowBig plan for $6.69 a month, and for the GoGeek plan, $10.69 a month. If you decide to go with the WooCommerce hosting, you'll get up to 73% off and will get the best deal by choosing the 12-month term at checkout. The 12-month term, you'll get 73% off. You'll see the Startup plan. You can get Siteground WooCommerce hosting for $3.99 a month, the GrowBig plan for $6.69 a month, and for the GoGeek plan, $10.69 a month. Enjoy your Siteground coupon code discount of up to 73% off. I highly recommend you take advantage of this offer while it lasts. You can definitely save some money with Siteground web hosting. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress video tutorials. Leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.